Okay guys, so welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create two style of a log wall on your wall. So this is the wall I've already drawn, a plain wall. Let me orbit random so that you can see it. And this is a plain wall. Okay, so let me share it into two. Let me use and share. Let me use this and share it into. Okay. So as we all know, the simple log wall style we have on ArchiCAD is just when we click on this wall, you can just come here. You can see under the model, you can see the log details. You can decide to click it and you choose this one. Okay, this one you can try it on your own and see how it looks like. But this is the one we usually use. Then you can decide to change the log thickness to 450. I usually work with 450. Okay, then okay. So you can see it. If you want this, if you want it to be more bigger, you can click on the wall, come here, log details. You can change it to 600. Okay, you can see it's more bigger. If you want it to be more smaller, you can go back to the same place and kind of change it to maybe 300 or no less to 200. Okay, so this is it. Okay, yeah, so this is it. So this is a simple one we usually have in ArchiCAD, and with this you can just select any wall you have, then just do that, apply that log detail on it. So the other one where we can have two different color, like this one we just have one different color, but this one want to do the one that we can have with two different color. So we usually make use of the complex profile. We make use of the complex profile. Please, I would like you to please help me by liking, subscribe to the channel, and also share this video for those who actually need it. Thank you very much. So let's jump in quickly into the log detail, the complex profile one. I think this is the wall here. Okay, yes, this is the wall. Okay, yes, this should be the wall. Let's check if the log details is activated. Okay, it's not activated, so I think this is the empty wall. So first of all, what we do is we come here under the structure and we change it to composite panel, or we come here and click on geometrical position and we change it to composite. So we okay. So at the end of the day, we right click on the wall, we go to edit and select composite. Okay, you can see the section of the wall is now out, and this is usually the outer wall. Okay, this is usually the outer wall where you can see our origin is showing. So we make use of the fill tool. Okay, we make use of the fill tool. Okay, so let's work with 450. 450. Let's make use of this particular one. So we type in 450. That will bring it out by maybe 25. Okay, 25 is too thick. Let's take it in a little bit. Sure, let's take it. Okay. I think let's change it. We change the material. We override the material under the components, then override the surface. Then okay, it shows the dark. So we duplicate it. We'll give it an interval of 50 millimeter. So let's bring it down by 50 millimeter interval. So I'm going to copy this fill tool I just created. So this is going to be acting as our outer layer of the log, and the main one will be acting as the inner layer of the log. Okay, so I think that is what I need. So at the end of the day, I will change it to maybe a log wall detail. Okay, yeah, let me just, you can give it a name of your choice, then at the end of the day, okay, I apply it, then you cancel. So let's check. Okay, you can see. So you can see we've successfully created the log wall details. You can decide to give this any color of your choice, then you can decide to play with something. Let's go back and edit it. Remember, if you want it bigger, you can just increase one of these. Maybe if you want it bigger by 600, now we use 450. So you can add your 150 extra, then duplicate it the same way I did. Then if you want this to be a pure white, you can just come here and okay, let's leave it. Then we change it, we override the material, and okay. So we're going to duplicate this all the points, okay. Yeah, duplicate it there, we duplicate it there, duplicate, okay. Okay, so this time I'm not saving. Okay, I can just click on the save. We already save it with the name, then I apply at the end, then okay. So you can see it's white. So this is how you can easily create log wall using ArchiCAD. So please, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. And we're gonna be producing more videos like this. So thank you.